How to fix cannot start remote desktop services in Windows 11 10s. 1. Enable remote desktop. To do so, run two commands as admin, break add hklm/system/current control set /control/terminal server /bfnits connection /prig_d word/d0/f netshare add firewall set rule group equals remote desktop new enable equals yes reboot your PC. 2. Run sfc and dism scan. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanup image/scan healthdism/online/cleanup image/check healthdism/online/cleanup image/restore health. 3. Disable IPv6 protocol. 4. Enable remote assistance on both local and remote computer. 5. Enable remote desktop services service dependencies. Required items include Remote desktop services, term service. Remote desktop services use remote port redirector, RDP service. Secure socket tunneling protocol service. Telephony. Plug and play. Remote procedure call, RPC. DCOM server process launcher. RPC endpoint mapper. Windows event log service. 6. Disable custom scaling in the display settings. 7. Configure local group policy. To do so, set enabled. Or not configured to allow users to connect remotely by using remote desktop services at computer configuration /administrative templates /Windows components /remote desktop services /remote desktop session host /connections in group policy editor. 8. Change RDP listening port. To do so, set 3389 to port number, dword, at computer /HKey_local_machine /system /current control set /control /terminal server /winstations /RDP TCP in regedit. Reboot your system. 9. Create new user account. Uninstall Windows Update or perform system restore.